haven't been riding the Hawk for a few days because my speedometer cable broke. So I ordered a new one from eBay. And I want to show you guys what it looks like, where I got it from, how much it cost, how it fits. We're going to go ahead and install it. Let's take a look at it first. Alright, so we ordered the speedometer cable from eBay. This is for Suzuki. I think it's 800 GS. Anyway, there's the link. Or there's the actual information right there. So let me take a look at this and see how close it looks to the actual speedometer cable that came off of there. Quality cable since 1984. Looks quality. Alright, so I have the original and the new one. And my fellow Ohio YouTuber did say that the new one for the Suzuki would be a little shorter, and it was a hard stretch. Try to route it along the original routing. Well, it looks like it's virtually the same size. Maybe an inch shorter. It's probably a good thing because this was a little bit too long. I would say about 2 inches too long. So let's compare the ends. It looks like virtually a perfect match. Except for this one's more reinforced. The new was more reinforced on the ends. Looks like it'd be a thicker, better quality. We already checked it. Looks like it's a good fit. We just need to make sure the fittings are going to match up. So I'm not going to bore you guys or show you all the steps of putting it on, because if you've taken it off, then I'm sure you know how to put it back on. If you have any difficulty, you can check my previous video when I took the original off. So if it does work, we're just going to go ahead and show you how it's set up and go for a ride, guys, because I noticed that just doing this without trying to explain it, it's coming along real quickly and easily. But when you try to explain everything, it just makes everything slow down. Slows down the process. Let's start at the top. If I remember correctly, it's going to be this side. Where's that tip go? Like disappeared down in there. What the heck? It fell out. Okay. Well, that makes it a little bit crazy. How was it in there? Okay, so like that. I was going to start at the top, but I gotta go ahead and get this in here. I think that should hold everything in place. Well, I'm glad I did actually show you guys instead of just going through the process, because we had a situation. Pop up. That screws in perfectly. Just as good or not better than the original. So here's the route. I'm not sure if we're going to take that route. Here's another route. And the speedometer's right around here. Maybe it being shorter might help. Whoops. Yank those wires. Let me stop. Yank those wires a little bit. Okay. Put that pin up in there. And let's squeeze that pin up in there as far as you can on this cord. So before we go with the original routing, let's try this. We put it under the tube. Will it fit through there? Behind the shock. Doesn't want to squeeze the there it is. Just gotta look what you're doing. Gotta look straighter, much straighter. I'm gonna route behind these wires rather than around them. Much straighter. Yeah, we'll go with this, yo. Make sure there's not a tight spot. That we're still working our way to get it as tight as possible. Just nice and snug. Let's test her out. Got a little mud on my glove when I fell on a DB14 the other day. Riding through the woods in the snow. If you only watch my hawk videos, I have a lot of fun at a DB14 too. You might want to check those out. Here we go. Alright, let's go. We'll cut through the parking lot. Y'all, I just kind of went for it, you know. Got to get out of the shell, out the box. So we should be in second gear. Oh, it's riding smoother than ever. Let's take it down. I believe that's second. So we're in third. Let's take it down to first. U-turn maneuvers. So I lost their something. Oh, foot down. There's a little bit of clutch control there, that's all. Gotta get warmed up, you know. So no snow today. So we get to see what it feels like. Is it still in? I believe it is. You can see what it feels like now that it's I better try to get away that came in. Get a first gear. Okay, that's odd. Alright, just wanted to test it out, y'all. Let's get on back and see how she idles so that she's warmed up. Supposed to get some rain today, so at least we didn't have to deal with that. So we're just leaving early because I think school's still there. Even though there are no students there, the teachers may be busy. A little bit of popping going on. I was gonna say, should I idle it up, but it's sounding really good now. Sounding real good. Moving also, so we're back in business, y'all.